Good morning. I'm here to teach you. What are we going to learn? English. What are we going to learn? English. We will learn English. Okay. Are you ready? Yes. So I'm going to start. Listen carefully, okay, and look carefully. What are we going to learn in English? Which chapter? That is unit number 7. We will learn 7th unit today. And what is the topic? That is sound of U. What we will learn? We will learn the U sound words. Ready? Yes, good MPPNs. Okay, first one. There's a picture. What is this? It is cub. C-U-B, cub. Okay, C-U-B, cub. This one, rub. R-U-B, rub. Cub, rub. Third one. What is the third one? What is this? It is a tub. T-U-B, tub. And this one, jug. J-U-G, jug. Tub, jug. Okay. Then next one. What is that? The next picture is this one. What is that? Mug. M-U-G, mug. And this one, rug. R-U-G, rug. Shall I show you some more pictures? Yes. See this one. What is this? This is bun. What is the spelling of bun? B-U-N, bun. And this one. What is this? This is a gun. What is the spelling? G-U-N, gun. I'll show you 2 more pictures. Right? Okay. You're very good MPPNs. This one. What is this? This is sun. This is sun. S-U-N, sun. And the last one. What is the boy doing? Run. R-U-N, run. Sun, run. We have learned U sound words, right? Yes. Now I will show you some words, but there is no picture. We will learn the spellings of some more U sound words. Okay? Yes. What is that? U-B sound. What are we learning now? U with B. Okay? Up sound. C-U-B, cub. H-U-B, hub. R-U-B, rub. T-U-B, tub. Right? Repeat. C-U-B, cub. H-U-B, hub. R-U-B, rub. And T-U-B, tub. Learned them? Okay. Next 4 words are here. They are with U and G. Okay. H-U-G, hug. J-U-G, jug. M-U-G, mug. R-U-G, rug. Repeat. What is this? Hug. Then jug. Next, mug. And the last, rug. Okay. Okay. Next 4 words are here. They are with U and N. What are the words? B-U-N, bun. G-U-N, gun. R-U-N, run. S-U-N, sun. Repeat them. What is this? Bun, gun, run, and sun. Okay, right. Next 4 more words. What are they with? They are with U and P, up. Okay. C-U-P, cup. P-U-P, pup. T-U-P, tup, and Y-U-P, yup. Okay, repeat. Cup, then pup, then tup, then yup. Right? Okay, are you got bored? No. I'll show you 4 more words. They are here with U and T. Okay, U and T. B-U-T, but. C-U-T, cut. H-U-T, hut. And N-U-T, nut. Let us revise them. What is this? Bird. What is this? Cut. What is this? Hut. And what is this? Nut. Very good. Very good. Good job. Shall I stop today's class? You have learned them? You sound words? Okay. This is what we had to learn today. So I'm going to wind up. Let us revise what did we learn. What did we learn today? We learned the sound of U. What did we learn today? We learned the sound of U. What are these sounds? What are these sounds? Cub, tub, rub, etc. Okay. So this is the time to wind up. You will stay home, stay safe, and take care. Bye.